up? Welcome back to Casa de Spoon. Steve, side quest.
Spoon,
Side quest, Steve.
Man, Steve. Lupin got a fresh ball. He don't know how to act.
Of course.
We're back. Everything's painted.
It's been a week.
Less than a week. It was Monday. It's what?
Put some respect on your name.
Spoon don't
Friday.
paint.
He's painted. Everything's painted beside the hood. I forgot about the hood, but we'll talk about that another time.
We'll do that later.
Yeah, Jimmy is in a rush for us to put this thing together, so let's load this thing up and head back to the shop. We'll talk about it there. You gonna try and drive it in? Oh.
Boys, that was awful.
Bro,
Give us some credit.
Jimmy hates enclosed trailers because he doesn't know how to use them. This is my old trailer. It would have been easier if the car drove straight.
Everything's broken and crooked.
The suspension is bad.
You're trying to go this way and the car's going that way. Fuck.
We were struggling hard right there. Damage prevention team, back at it.
Some ratchet straps and a jack.
You didn't help at all.
Yeah, all you gonna worry about is your ball.
Good thing my flight got delayed a little bit. Sheesh. She's back to life, boys. Oh, I feel like it's fresh out the operating room. Damn, the offset color. That was a Spoon call, and I'm happy he made it because that looks really sick.
Damn right, I don't have to
Yeah, you wanted to flex the work. That's what it was.
Spoon don't paint.
Spoon don't paint. Now I just gotta power wash the engine because it doesn't. But damn, who would have thought getting the whole front end lopped off would look so good? What is this paint from? You just had this laying around? You could buy
What, the
that.
silver?
Yeah,
My paint place had it laying around, some Hyundai silver.
good silver.
Good
Some Hyundai silver. And then the bay's all painted again. I see the side skirts all painted over there.
Sonata silver.
Sonata silver. There you go. And look at the over. Look how straight those overs are. Those are the straightest looking fiberglass overs I've ever seen. Might as well panel bottom to the guard now. Sheesh. Spoon don't paint.
The fender's my favorite part.
The fenders? The front ones, you mean?
One of them was cracked in half. When we got it, it was cracked in half.
Oh, I was like, you made me nervous. I mean, they're Origin. You get that. Origin's for the working man, you know?
Blue collar arrow.
The blue collar arrow, for sure. That's the best way to put it.
How we put this together while you're going?
That red's so sweet. All right, so as of right now, I'm literally about to run to, I'm already running late, to the airport, and next time you guys see me, I will be in Australia. The guys are holding down here, getting the kit on today. The hard part's been done, the fit, the finish, so now it's just bolting it all up, and it should look like a car again, which is gonna be honestly kind of cool just to come back and see it done. It's gonna hit super hard, so I'm really excited. So, Austin,
Yes,
keep the boys together.
I got it.
You got this. I'll see you guys soon.
Jimmy's gone. He got to see it. I wanted him to leave without seeing it. We're here, we're back. Got the car up on jack stands, wheels off, just make life easier.
What is first is look into the sea of parts. Fresh parts. It's fire. It's nice to see. But
Bro, I'll come back and there's another car here.
You took the coupe and he replaced it.
Yeah.
Come check it out.
He's got a problem. I looked at it yesterday. This thing's honest.
let's get a Spoon's honest review.
This thing's honest. It's a good car. It's automatic. You know it wasn't foddered around.
Yeah. What do you think?
I should just make Jimmy buy a couple containers. Put 2 or 3 containers in the back and just start shoving cars away. I don't want to see that thing in the corner. All right, step 1. Start in the back, work our way forward. But in order to put the back bumper on, you gotta do the quarters. Steve, grab the buffer. What do you want, huh?
Let's do it.
You gotta buff this here before we put the quarter on it. Get some of these scratches out of here. Tape off your moldings. You don't want to mark up your moldings. You can easily burn them.
It's also so easy to get material behind them.
Oh, it sucks.
And then you can never get it out.
The trick is wax and a toothbrush.
Steven Templin.
Polish, we're not going crazy. We just literally want to clean up this area so that when we do buff everything else, we don't burn the edge. Bro, you gotta be careful because the shit almost took my finger out last time.
Dude, that trunk is heavy.
Trunk?
Yeah. Somehow, it just missed my fingers as it came down.
Lucky. Imagine, spoon, no fingers.
He almost took his finger off last week.
Oh, yeah. A lot of people ask why I don't use DAs or like sanders. Oh, damn, they took my finger off. It was bad. I was sweating like RJ.
He was white as a ghost.
Bro,
was bleeding?
RJ came to the rescue. Oh yeah, it was gushing. RJ came to the rescue, sat me down, cleaned me up.
Nursed you back to health.
It was bad. Scan right after it.
We're gonna get this done 10 times faster because he has a helping hand. Right where you need him. Look at that.
First rivet. Send it. Hopefully we don't scratch the paint. It's the bounce. You gotta watch out for the bounce. Like right before it breaks. You see it just fucking. Yeah, there goes that.
Easy, yeah.
Steve's never seen what a rivet actually does. So you see the little ball at the end?
Yeah.
How it's bigger than the rest of the shaft. Pause.
Yeah, that's exactly what I imagined in my head it did.
Yeah, so I squeeze it to. So the two pieces of metal would be here.
Yeah.
And just squeeze it together.
Brilliant.
There you go, nice.
Gems away. Spoon always lets me play. Get my hands dirty.
What are you doing?
Quite the obstacle course.
Whoa! I'd leave it right there.
Rivet Steve?
Yeah. Nice. You can't leave fireworks around in a shop full of guys. I was cleaning out my shop and found a bunch of fireworks.
These ones say pyro paintball, so I wonder what that's about, but let's see what's up. We're about to find out. Oh shit. Streets letter.
Oh, pick it up.
Had to hit it with a, what's it called, stale cracker. Get that out of here.
Boom, quarters are on. Done. Bumper. Steve, back bumper, please.
Going right up, Poppy.
Por favor.
Por favor.
Por favor.
See these two brackets here? No. You're gonna go into these holes here.
Alright.
Oh, how's
That's so sick. Oh, this kit looks so good. I don't think I've ever seen this kit in all black.
that? No. It settles the kit really nicely.
Sweet diffusers, bro.
Alright, quarters are on, back bumpers temporarily on. We still need a rear bash bar.
Hey, we're just getting the look of it today.
Yeah, no, we're getting everything together for the most part. I gotta put the fenders on in order to put the skirts on, so we'll do that now. Hopefully this one still fits. This is the one that was cracked in half.
Got a good life. Everybody loves you. You don't gotta pay bills. Got a chain. You got cool jackets.
Big.
I mean, he said it. You get to hang out around cool cars all day, every day. I love you.
Oh, got a little run there. Quick tune up by Steve.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Car does look naked without him.
You gotta add the signature piece to it.
Yeah, the car just looks naked without him.
It would have helped you reversing earlier.
Not.
Steve with the rivets right here, you know what I mean? Not bad, not bad. That black is good. Spoon says he doesn't paint, but he paints. Nice work.
That's not spoon painting, that's no sweat painting. Coming out me like that, dog?
The rear bumper is. I think double tips would be crazy.
Both sides?
Yeah. One here, one there. Like a Corvette, but just like spread more. Coming out this summer. 3 black coupes. Never been done. Me, Aunt, James.
None of them have been together?
No.
All finished? That's really sick.
Never.
I didn't know that.
Never, never, ever.
I talked about taking the doubles out of the green car. But
That car's not for parting out.
yeah, we'll leave those there for now. For now, we just got good old bricks. Same ones I used for mock-up. I'm going back on.
These are the ones that everybody wants.
Nah, these are the base model joints.
Oh, okay.
These are still the ones that everybody wants.
Is it?
Everybody wants
Everybody
bricks.
wants these out there.
I'm a brick fan. I don't care for projectors.
I like the double projector look on that one.
I think bricks look best, but yeah.
So as you guys see right now, Spoon has an Illumisthetic GTR style grill, which we're gonna run. We don't know if it's gonna stay forever because me personally, I like the grill that Jimmy had last time in it originally, which was a centric grill that he retrofitted to fit the front of a Sylvia front end. I thought it was really dope because it had the Nissan logo in it, and it was like you don't really see that too much. I thought it was fresh, looked retro. So I'm hoping that Jimmy is gonna do that again, but for now, this is a real dope placeholder.
No, I like it. And it'll get more airflow into the radiator.
Yeah,
So,
for sure. We might fall in love with it and keep it. This is pretty gangster
I
too.
love the Sylvia one.
Sylvia grill's so good.
This is pretty dope too. So this isn't a bad option, but I want to see how this one comes together with the rest of the kit and everything in the bumper.
It fits phenomenal. I'll tell you that. Headlights are temporarily in. They still got to get tweaked and fitted. Bash bars on, which a lot of you guys didn't actually get to see on the car.
Yeah, we did a little bit of B-roll in one of the videos for it.
That was it,
but
right?
That was it.
So it's here. It's shaped to the bumper, so the minute the bumper goes on, the bash bar disappears.
You did your thing, bro.
For everybody that asked why isn't there a jacking point, you guys, we did put this thick, juicy beam in here. That's the jacking point. So there was no need to put it on the bash bar. It's the time we've all been waiting for. Front bumper. Steve, be careful.
That's so.
Oh, come on, I can't see it yet. I'll tell you what, having a tube front end makes life so much easier.
This is your first tube front end that you've ever done, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you rate the experience over the last month and a half?
Get back to me.
One black car to the other.
I love it. I love it on the TEs.
I think Jimmy's gonna say, "I see you, but
But it ain't it.
It ain't it.
That's exactly what he's gonna say.
I see you,
But it ain't it.
but it ain't it."
Now that the kit's painted, it settles the kit down a lot.
It's an aggressive kit, but yeah, you're right. The black really brings it down.
Yeah. It sucks. I kind of wish I finished the hood now.
Right, for the full
Effect, yeah. Fitment, dog. Origin, talk to me nice. Bro, and I didn't even go that crazy. Like, I could have spent another week trying to get this kit nicer. It was good. I'm happy with it.
Nice work. Let's get some B-roll of this thing.
that's it for today. It's getting late. It's Friday. Everybody wants to go home. There it is. Like, she's quickly coming back together. Like, still a lot of little things to get done, but season's starting. Warm weather's almost here. This thing's gonna be ready to party.
We're gonna get this thing back on track soon.
Yeah, I can't wait.
She's gonna be all pretty for a couple events.
It's gonna be pretty all season.
All season?
Pretty. It's law of attraction, dog.
Just be keeping it real, man. Y'all want to talk
Keep
all
that
the-
negative energy away from me, dog. You guys already know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good night.